Good morning, Miami. Today is a 20% chance of a hurricane. We will tell you all you need to know about hurricanes, like causes, effects, survival tips, and interesting facts. Let me hand it over to my pal, Javen.
Thanks, Declan. We will be talking about hurricanes today. These are some causes. These are some things you should not do. Do not. You should. You should be aware of heavy raining and very bad flooding. And let me hand it over to Gage.
Thank you, Javen. Well, like you said, Javen said that there's gonna be a bad hurricane. Well, not survived. He's an interesting fact. Our hurricane usually the calmest, so you might not have trouble with that, but still be careful during the big hurricane coming tonight for a week. Okay. Let's say for my pal Alex for some survival tips.
Like Javen said, don't go outside. Get enough supplies to last you for a week. Get on top of your house. Let me hand it to my pal, Declan. Where
Get on top of your house.
And like I said, it's right here heading south of Miami. So it's outside and over. Watch out. We don't know when the sun will go off, so it might just go off right now. This is a warning, not a test.
Please do not go